everyone, Josh here. Quick marketing mastery tip for you today. I'm gonna give you 4 apps that help tons of online creators when they make marketing videos, and they will inevitably help you as well. Okay, number 1, Prompt Smart Pro. This is an app on the App Store that you can subscribe to for very cheap. It's literally like the greatest teleprompter app ever. You can change the speed, you can change the font size, you can import your written scripts directly from Google Drive and more. It's awesome. I use it myself. Number 2, Big View. Big View is an app that allows you to record yourself while simultaneously reading your script on your screen. So it's like Prompt Smart, but it also records you as well. That way you can do it on your phone or whatnot when you're out and about. Number 3, I highly recommend that you download the app PowerDirector Video Editor. It's a movie maker and video editing app that can also do green screen effects. What more could you possibly need in your very own pocket? Lastly, number 4, go check out Canva. It's a really amazing app that allows you to create visually stunning social media that you can plaster all over your own social media web pages. I use it literally almost every day. Go find these apps today and level up your creativity, efficiency, and output consistency. Links to these apps and resources can be found in the description to this video.